The Kennedy Fine Arts Building on Savannah State University's campus is still closed due to a fire that took place during the early morning hours of Wednesday, October 14th. The building suffered structural, smoke, and water damage. Since then, classes have been relocated to nearby buildings. We talked to students and faculty about how the fire and the relocation of their classes is affecting them.
Well, being a mass communications major and also a music minor, it kind of has had its toll on me and my colleagues on both ends. We can't work on projects how we need to work on projects. Also, we can't perform as well in our course rooms or have that one-on-one time with our teachers.
There was that first period when the first little while after the fire, after the fire had happened, a lot of my students didn't know where to go. People weren't coming to class, and then when they did come, it just felt weird to be in class. You know, the communication just wasn't the same. It's just different and kind of strange teaching in a completely different building in completely different classrooms. The other thing that's been difficult is not having an office, because we as instructors don't have a central place to keep our stuff.
There is still no exact word on what caused the fire. Kennedy is expected to be closed for the remainder of the fall semester while cleaning and repairs are done. The university has implemented trailers on the Drew Griffith parking lot where some classes will take place. Once again, this is Rachel Ralston here on Savannah State University's campus. Now back to you.